Presents
25 most amazing optical illusions.
25.
We have an example of an impossible object. Except this time, it's the rotation of the blocks that is inconsistent. Are they side by side or on top of each other? Maybe that's why they call them indecipherable figures.
24.
See if you can make this woman spin in different directions.
'23.
At first, this one may be hard to see, but if you get a scan back and forth across the image, you'll notice that the squares in your periphery begin to rotate. As soon as your eyes stop moving, however, rotation will cease.
22.
No, this is not an animated GIF. The image is really static. Notice that when you look at any individual point, dead on, it will stop moving. This powerful illusion is derived from interacting color contrasts and shape positions within the image.
21.
These Lego pieces appear to be never-ending in this triangle.
20.
Yes, the Leaning Tower of Pisa does actually lean, but these two images are in fact one and the same. Although the image on the right appears to be leaning away from the one on the left, this is only in your head. Go ahead and try the same thing with the Empire State Building. It will lean too. Promise.
19.
It looks like the orange circle on the left is quite clearly smaller than the right, but they're identical in size.
18.
Because of the green cylinder here, it looks like it's resting on a checkered board, but actually, the squares A and B are the same color.
17.
Which circles are moving for you? Actually, neither are moving.
16.
This is a classic illusion named after Ludmar Hermann, who discovered it in 1870. At every point where the white lines intersect our eyes, perceive a gray, shadowy blob. If you look directly at one of the intersections, though, the blob disappears.
15.
Stare at this image for 30 seconds, and it will slowly disappear. The Caniza triangle was named after the psychologist Gaetano Caniza, who first described its effect. When you look at the image, your brain creates contours or outlines of a triangle, although none exist. In reality, it's an illusion created by the wedges and the angles.
13.
More moving around, but this image is completely still.
12.
Does this shape have 3 stumps or not?
11.
It won't be long before that big monster catches the baby monster. Except when it does, it'll find they're the same size.
10.
The dots between the squares are all white.
9.
There are several variations to this illusion, but the effect is the same. The blue and green backgrounds are in fact the same color. Open it in Photoshop.
8.
Stare at the dots in the center for 30 seconds. Now close your eyes. What do you see?
7.
More line jiggery pokery here. All of the lines are straight diagonal ones. The smaller ones create the illusion.
6.
Just a quick FYI, those red lines are straight as arrows.
5.
No stares here, just depth perception with the drawing and the red square in the background.
4.
These lines are moving up and down, but not to the right. Do they move right without you thinking?
3.
Our eyes are tricking us into believing the pink dots are moving, but they're all stationary.
2,
Which image is bigger, A or B? Because they're actually the same size.
1,
Stare at the dot in the center of this image.
Thanks for watching another amazing video, folks. Subscribe for more from Elite Facts.